Hey folks, welcome to 9 to 5 to Freedom. My name is Alex. If you're new to this channel I talk about my career, my investments, and what I'm looking to do to build a portfolio of dividend stocks that's going to replace my 9 to 5. So glad you can make it to today's show. And real brief, I just wanted to make a video on what my portfolio is doing with the recent downturns we've seen in the market. So today is January 14th. 2025, and if you haven't seen my other video where I've invested $12,000, well, this is what we're gonna jump into and discuss today, how that portfolio has been performing since last week. Okay, let me show you here. So this is a snapshot just as of a minute ago. As you can see, these are the investments that I have selected with that $12,000. Now, since we have allocated among these investments such as YieldMax, Roundhill, Cornerstone, we got some JP Morgan, JPQ, and others such as USA. Okay, so as far as dividend payout, we're going to go to this chart here. This is what the dividend that we are expecting for this year. As you can see, they vary between the type of investments. Now, you might see ones that might seem very high to you, like MSTY at 96%. We have Coney at 152%. Now, these are very risky funds. These are sole stock where they do call options on them. And you will see NAV erosions on these. You will see they will continue to drop in price over time because they're paying it out in the form of dividend. But because these dividends are so high, you can hopefully make some money on the front end and then be able to drop and switch these funds into something more stable. Okay, so as far as current value, we're sitting at 11,808, and this is the expected dividend payout for the year. And you can't see it because my face is there. Okay, let me shift this over here. Okay, so we're still on track for $3,966. Okay, so again, we're seeing some of these losses, and I think it's a little bit early to jump ship. I think the whole market is feeling the pains, and with the recent volatility, we're going to continue to hold on and see how these funds are going to perform. Remember, the whole exercise of this and what I'm trying to do here is to get a feel of what kind of dividends we can expect, what kind of volatility we can expect with these funds. Now, there's a couple of funds in here that I've been doing some research on last night that I got some really good information on. So I'm going to make a video about that. So make sure you check that out. But overall, right now, I mean, we're sitting at probably somewhere around 33% on expected dividend payout. So if we do 39.66 divided by the current value of our fund, we're at 33.5% dividend payout, right? So that is very healthy. That is phenomenal. We'll see how this plays out. Now, remember, folks, if you're new to this, the YieldMax funds are very risky, I would say, in my own opinion. The YMAG, the YMAX, and then even more so the MSTY and Coney and equivalents here. So the funds that I'm really looking towards to focus as the core stabilizer will be right now CRF, and then it's going to be CLM, and I'm really liking QDTE paired with XDT. Okay, now there's other ones in here that I think will be overall great performers, like XPay, which is a new fund here. This one says it's going to do 21%. Here it shows it's going to do 4.71. I'm not sure why this hasn't updated yet. And then funds that also seem like they will be pretty promising are JEPQ. Okay, these are from JP Morgan. You see that has a pretty safe dividend of 9.76%. These other ones I'm just doing some experiments with. I want to see how they're going to perform. I really like these juicy yields that they're promising, 48%, 38% here. So if we can squeeze that out in the next couple of months, I think that's going to be really great. And then if we can convert that over to these yellow ones, the CLM and CRF and QDT and XDT. So really that's the update I wanted to do today. And I know it's been a little rocky, and I don't want anybody to feel like I'm dumping this experiment. No, we're gonna pull through. We're gonna make sure we see how we come out on the other end. Obviously, nobody really knows what the market's gonna be like this year. With the administration change in the United States, with Trump coming on board, and announcements of tariffs and all this talk that seems like it's driving the market a little bit in instability. But I know we had a very strong economy with the last presidential run that Trump had, so possibly there might be opportunity for growth, and I hope that this carries through. And really, my goal is to experiment this for a few months, and then I'm in the process of selling a rental of mine, and I want to dump a good amount of money from the proceeds of that sale into these funds. So we'll see how that plays out. But thanks for watching. If you're new to this channel, really appreciate a subscribe. I'm building this channel up. I want to make it a community where we can all learn from each other and build that engine that can replace our 9-to-5 job eventually, and we can be free and we can just enjoy those high yield dividend payments and be able to pay our bills. So thanks for watching. Please like this video, and we'll see you on the next one.